Here's a quick tutorial explaining the splice method in JavaScript. So I'm going to go ahead and just create a quick array called numbers, and I'll add 5 numbers in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And so let's just cover some of the basics of the splice method first. The splice method accepts 3 arguments. The first is start index, and this is 0 based. The second is delete, and this is how many items to remove from the start index. And the last one is an optional argument, and this is an array of items to add. So let's just jump right in here. So if I say numbers.splice, and then say our first argument is 2. Now remember, this is 0 based, so the 1 is 0, 1, 2. So when I'm targeting 2, I'm actually targeting the number 3 in our array. And I'll say comma 1, and that's how many items to remove from the start index. So in this case, we're going to be removing the 3 from our array. So let's just show this real quick. Numbers. Run this. So now our array is 1, 2, 4, and 5. So if we want to test out using this optional argument, what we can say is, let's say 300. So at position 2 in the index of numbers, or in the array of numbers, we're going to replace, or we're going to delete the number 3, and then we're going to add the number 300. So now our array is 1, 2, 300, 4, 5. This is something that can also be an array of numbers. So if I say 300, 400, 500, now at that index of 2, I can add those numbers, 1, 2, 300, 400, 500, 4, 5. Another thing to note is that the delete function, or the delete argument, can be 0. So if I want to make this 0, so leave the 3 in there, but add something into this array at the index of 2, let's just move this here and make this 100. So now if I do this, we're going to have 1, 2, 100, 3, 4, and 5. So it pushed the 3 to the index of 3, and it added 100 at the index of 2. So I hope that makes sense. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you.